YouTube, what's up? This is your boy Young. This is a video quick video about taking the radiator support off on a basically any first gen Magnum Chrysler Charger 300. I'm pretty sure that it's for the second and third gens too, but it's real simple. The bumper got to come off, number one. Then once you take the bumper off, the headlights got to come out. Make sure you keep all them, save all them bolts. Real simple. All right, got it put out already. Got two bolts right here. Goes right here. Remember, the frame is still hooked on, so let me put the frame back down for y'all. If I can. So basically, make it real short, simple. This frame goes in here, the two bolts going back here. All right, two bolts. It's a bolt right here, right there. Okay, same bolt right here. Another lower bolt down here, which is right here. Mind you, I do got it already pulled out. So you right now you already at 1, 2, 3, 4. Two bolts right here for the latch, hood latch. All right, two bolts right there. That's where they at for new, going to new one. Back over here, the same thing. Bolt back there. So y'all can see. This is the bolt right here. All right, another bolt up top, which is right here. All right. Also, the other two bolts on the other side. All right. And also, these clips that goes back behind right here. You see that little hole I'm pointing at right there. All right. Basically, like push clips. Get a screwdriver or get a special tool. Pry that off. Boom. Take the line, pull it right off. Got two of them. All right, 1, 2. So 1, 2. Pop those off, and you got. And I'm not sure what this is right here, but those got to come off too. This might be another airbag sensor. Might be. I'm not for sure. Don't quote me on that. But whatever it is, it got to come off. So make sure if it does. I'm not sure what that is. If it is an airbag sensor, disconnect the battery first before you unplug it and do anything. But basically, what you gotta do is these two bolts right here. All right, and you got the same bolts on the other side. All right, this is looking from the front. These are the bolts. Just looking from the back. Two bolts. So y'all can get it in here and see that. All right, two bolts. And after that, you're good. Just lift up, take it out, and then just go ahead and slide a new one back in. You know what I mean? It's real simple. Only time consuming if you're not really familiar with how to take the car apart. But that's all you gotta do. And that's one reason this is one reason people doing this. You want to do a swap. So front end swap. So because once you change this support out, it's how people do the engine, not the engine swap, the front end swap. So all right, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Like I said, got the new one. Get ready to slide up in here. I'm not worried, and y'all don't want to scratch up the paint if y'all car is fine. But I know this is getting repainted. The front fenders are getting redone, so that one getting replaced. But so I'm not worried about scratching anything up. And that's it, man. So I'll cut the video back on when it's got the new one in, and I'm gonna change that too. Why that's off? And this is the old bumper. I gotta take all this off. Actually, I'm probably not gonna take all this stuff off. Let the body shop take that off. All right, cut it back on. I got the new one in. And also, guys, do not try to take these bolts off first. Just wait. Everything in the front got to come off first. So everything you see in the front, all the bolts in the front got to come off first. So make sure you take all the bolts off front first. Take all these bolts off first. Then you can be able to pull it out to get to the back bolts in the rear. All right, cut that back on when I got it put back in. All right, I still ain't got the new one in yet, but I'm going to show y'all this. It's probably an airbag sensor. I don't know. I'm gonna look it up though, see what it is. So I'm gonna know what this is by the time it's way before this video go up. But you don't have to unplug it. Just take the bolts off and it slide right out. All right. Most of these bolts are just 10s, 13s, maybe an 8 too. I think one of them might be an 8. But I know 8 and 13 millimeter sockets, man, get most of this stuff off. So, but yeah, actually it's super simple. You ain't gotta take the radiator off and none of that crap, man. Just go ahead and put it in, man. And that's it. All right, cut it back on when I get this radiator support put in. All right, just make sure y'all take everything. I still gotta take this off, the horn and stuff. But this come with clips. Remember that little 2 bolts I said? These got clips. Gotta make sure you take this off and transfer it over. You see on both sides. You gotta make sure you take these off. There's 2 of them. All right, radiator support bar in. Brand new, all the bolts tighten up. Everything tighten up. Latch back on. Bolts on. All the bolts on. See the old one over there. Super simple, easy. Everything in. Y'all remember that? Bolt. Little plastic piece. Like a lot of all that stuff didn't have to come off. You gotta put a little plastic piece on this. But besides that, everything good. Everything good, man. I'm about to change this right now, but I ain't gonna put that on camera. Part right there. Yeah, it's all done, man. Super easy, super simple. Just little time consuming though, but made it work. Probably about an hour. Probably took my hour and a half for real. Thought I had all the bolts and stuff ready. It would have been sooner, but there you have it, man. It's already coming back together. Everything closes too. Hope I ain't closed nothing up on you. Go. That little raggedy noise is that. Little raggedy finger, but good, man. Everything good to go. All right.
Damn, Casey.
So if you need to rewind the video and show it, let you know.